Bonjour à tous. Today again I am going to discuss about you can see here partitive articles. So in French topic is les articles partitifs. Les articles partitifs, partitive articles. So actually partitive articles are used to talk about something we don't know the quantity. Okay, and they are used with especially with food items, sentiments and liquids. In French, like we say, I eat salad. Just don't read this word. I eat salad. So actually we are using or we have to use I eat some or a part of salad. Okay, so in French we use this word some, which we don't use usually in English. तो il mange de la salade. Il mange de la salade. The same way, if you can see here, he is courageous. He is courageous. It means he has some courage. So il a du courage. So actually, we use these partitive particles with unknown quantity of something, especially with food items, liquids, and sentiments. Here you can see. So now let's talk about these words. First word is du. Pronunciation will be du, which means some, a part of, and it is used with a masculine singular noun. A masculine singular noun. Je mange du gâteau. Je mange du gâteau. I eat or I am eating bread. I eat or I am eating bread. Here I must say one thing also to you, that in French we don't have present continuous tense. So for present continuous also and as well as present simple present also we use only simple le présent. So I eat for I eat or I am eating. I eat or I am eating. We use only je mange. Je mange. Then another word is de la. De space la. De la. Again meaning will remain the same, some, a part of. It is used with a feminine singular common noun. Feminine singular common noun. Here you can see example also. Je mange de la salade. De la why? Because salad word is feminine. So he is eating salad. He is eating salad. Il mange de la salade. Then des, pronunciation will be they. Meaning again will remain the same, some, a part of. It is used with masculine and feminine plural common nouns. Masculine and feminine both plural common nouns. They, here you can see, nous mangions des fruits. Nous mangions des fruits. No, here you can see, nous mangions des fruits. We are eating or we eat fruits. We are eating or we eat fruits. So des fruits, it means some, a part of or some fruits. So here you can see, first of all I must tell you one thing, that this, just pay attention to this A point, du and de la. Du and de la will change to del apostrophe before a noun starting with a, e, I, o, u, h and y also. Like le and la, they will change to l apostrophe before a vowel. The same way du and de la will change to del apostrophe before a noun starting with a, e, I, o, u, h and y. Here you can see pouvez-vous de l'eau froide. Actually O word, E-A-U, O word is feminine word. It is exceptional word. So we use D-E-L apostrophe because it is starting with a vowel. So pouvez-vous de l'eau froide, are you drinking cold water? Are you drinking cold water? Here you can see note also to talk about unspecified quantity of food, drink and abstract things. Abstract things means we cannot touch or we can feel only, we cannot touch. Then you can see du and de la, all partitive articles, and this point is also very important. All partitive articles will change to de in all negative forms. So whenever I teach you this topic, negative form, how to change an affirmative sentence to negative form, so there also I will discuss this point, but just keep in mind all partitive articles will change to de, like du, de la, des, or del apostrophe also, de in all negative forms. So whenever we change any sentence to negative, these words du, de la, del apostrophe, des will change to de. And if vowel will be there after de, Vowel, it means A, E, I, O, U, H and Y. DE will change to D apostrophe. So you have to keep in mind this also. Then, most important point, with verbs aimer, adorer, detester and preferer. Okay, with these verbs, aimer means A-I-M-E-R, aimer, to like, adorer, to like a lot, adore, to love, detester, to hate, preferer, to prefer. So whenever you will find these words in a sentence, so we don't use, in that condition, we don't use definite articles. We don't use participial articles. We use only and only definite articles. So here you can see with verbs aimer, adorer, detester and preferer, definite articles are used in place of partitive articles. With these words, whenever you will see these four verbs in a sentence, you have to use definite articles, that is LE, LA, L apostrophe or LES according to condition or according to situation. Here you can see example also. Ma sœur aime la gâteau. Ma sœur aime la gâteau. My sister likes. Ma sœur aime la glace. Ma sœur aime la glace. My sister likes ice cream. Okay, so here you can see aim. Aimer verb is there, so we will use definite articles. But may means but. Whenever there will be any other verb after these four verbs, like in this sentence, ma sœur aime manger. Ma sœur aime manger de la glace. We have to use definite articles. If any other verb will be there after these four verbs, you have to again use partitive articles. You cannot use these definite articles. Okay, so these are partitive articles. I am going to tell you. I am going to just show you how to use definite article partitive articles in exercise while using exercise. So if you can just show exercise that part, another exercise one. So here you can see l'exercice question complétée avec les articles partitifs. Complete the blanks with partitive articles. Numéro 1. L'enfant français mange dash tartine avec dash beurre. The French child is eating dash toast with dash butter. So dash toast, you have to find out whether it is masculine, feminine, singular, plural. The word is plural, tartine, toast. So you have to use DES. Avec dash beurre. Again you have to find out number and gender of this word, beurre. So BEURRE, beurre is butter, beurre is butter. So which is ending with E but it is masculine. So we will use DU. So l'enfant français mange des tartines avec du beurre. Okay. French child is eating toast with butter. Numéro 2. Caroline aime prendre des riz avec des légumes. So Caroline likes to take or to have to eat, take rice with vegetables. Rice, again rice is a word, masculine, singular, du riz, du, avec légumes, masculine, plural word. So we will use DES. Caroline aime prendre du riz avec des légumes. Caroline likes to take rice with vegetables. Numéro 3. Mon fils achète, my son is buying dash pain avec dash confiture. My son is buying dash bread with dash jam, confiture. Bread is masculine singular, confiture feminine singular. Here du, here de la. Mon fils achète du pain avec de la confiture. My son is buying bread with jam. Then, numéro 4. Manuel et Paul ne boivent pas dash vin après dash dîner. Manuel and Paul don't drink dash wine after dash dinner. So here we will use, I am going to tell you first translation of this. Manuel and Paul don't drink wine after the dinner. After the dinner. So here we will not use participle article. Here we will use definite the. So dinner word is masculine singular. So le will be there. We will use le. Now here wine is masculine singular. We will use du. But you can see here this sentence is negative. Manuel and Paul don't drink. Don't drink. So du will change to de. So answer will be de. Manuel et Paul ne boivent pas de vin après le dîner. Manuel and Paul don't drink wine after the dinner. Numéro 5. Mon oncle boit dash café et dash thé aussi. My uncle drinks. It will be B-O-I-T. It will be mon oncle B-O-I-T. Not B-O-I-R-E, B-O-I-T. My uncle drinks or is drinking or drinks coffee and tea also. Okay, so here coffee and tea, both words are masculine singular. Du café et du thé. My uncle drinks coffee and tea. So because both words are masculine singular, we will use du here. So after this video, you will get this document, this exercise also. I will give you link there only. I will provide you link also there. So if you like the video of this partitive articles, please do like and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, so till then, merci, bonne journée, au revoir.